Good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are. I wanted to get on here today and give you 2 tips on why you should refinance your car. Again, 2 tips that why you should refinance that automobile or that auto loan that you have. Number 1 is, if you are paying a high interest rate on your vehicle and that's what you qualified for when you purchased that vehicle, then you should refinance. I know you all thinking, you know what, I just got my car 2 months ago, 3 months ago, or even 30 days ago. You're paying between 11% and 25%. Anything over double digits. You need to be thinking about refinancing your car loan so that you can pay less interest on your car loan. That means if you're paying less interest, you pay less for your car. So if you purchased a car from me within the last 3 or 4 months, or maybe even 30 days ago, or even 3 weeks ago, you need to be thinking about, I need to get ready to go refinance my loan, especially if your interest rate is high. Now, let me just say this. If you got into an automobile loan, you know that you didn't put that much money down, and maybe you owe more on your vehicle than what it's worth, then you might not be able to refinance that loan. And the reason is because of credit, but also because you didn't put that much money down. You go out there, or customers go out there, or you come to me, and you have no money down, or you have $1,000 down, and you want what you want. And then you end up with a higher note, with the higher interest rate. So in some cases, you're able to refinance. But listen, everybody is not able to refinance within a month, or within 2 months, or 3 months. They're not able to do that. They may have problems with their credit. What I look to do when I get a customer into a vehicle, I want to also help you get your credit repaired. So if you're coming to me and you got problems with your credit, you need to be asking me about the credit program. If I don't mention it to you, you need to say, Regina, I need to get my credit repaired at the same time. But you know what happens is, and I'm going to tell you right now, you guys get into a vehicle, you get approved for a car, and then you think that you don't need to get your credit repaired. You just forget all about it. I got this vehicle, and you know what? I don't need to get my credit repaired because I got a car now. I got a car now. That's exactly what you're saying. But you're the one that's paying that double-digit interest rate. Well, you need to be trying to get your credit repaired. You don't get into a car and you're paying double digits and then go to the credit union and look to refinance your loan, and you have all these collections on your credit. So if you get into a vehicle with me, or you get into a vehicle with someone else and you need to get your credit repaired, giving me a call or sending me a text. Now, if you want to reach me, my number is 248-431-2955. Don't forget, just because you got a brand new car or a pre-owned car, that you don't need to get your credit repaired. That's the problem now. People are getting cars and they're paying higher payments on their cars. But you know what's happening? You're forgetting that you need to take care of your credit. The purpose of this video is to let you know 2 reasons why you need to refinance. The second reason why you need to refinance, if you have a co-signer on your loan, go refinance your loan. It's because that co-signer that co-signed for you, when they get into a loan with you, they're co-signed on the loan. When they look to try to go get their own automobile loan, they might not be able to get an auto. It's because they co-signed for you. So the fastest way to get someone off your loan that's on your loan without trading your car in and you just got it, is to go refinance your loan if you qualify. 2 tips for the day that I'm going to repeat, that I hope that this helps and I hope that this blesses someone today, is that if you're paying double digits on your auto, go refinance. Go to a credit union. If you don't belong to a credit union, call me. I'll refer you to a credit union. You refinance because you have that double digit interest rate. That's one. There's no time frame when you can refinance that loan. But if your credit is bruised and you need to get your credit repaired, don't just get all like excited and think, I don't need to get my credit repaired because I qualify for a car. So just make sure you follow directions. If you're coming to me, I'm going to give you directions on what you need to do. I'm going to be there during the process. But again, the second reason why you want to refinance your loan, get that co-signer off your loan. That's why you want to refinance. If you didn't come in with any money with me and you want to go to the credit union to refinance, don't be shocked if the credit union says you need to come up with some cash. Always remember, credit is king and cash is not king anymore. So always remember that credit is king now. Cash is not king. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, push the share button. Share this on your timeline because somebody needs to hear this. I need to bless someone with these things I just said. I need to bless someone. So by sharing this video and liking this video and commenting at the bottom, you will bless someone. They won't bless me because they didn't buy a car from me, right? But you'll bless them by helping them with their overall financial situation. All right. Have a great day.